Good evening, ma'am. I am John Renier Bibari from BSIDMA 2A, and today I'm your presenter for this moment, and the title that we present is Understanding the Shape of Our World. Opening hook. Good day, everyone. Let us start by asking a question. Have you ever wondered how Google Maps finds the shortest route to your destination, or how virtual reality or VR mirrors our real life movements so perfectly? Behind this technologies lies modern geometry, the branch of mathematics that shapes both our digital and physical worlds. So today we'll explore how geometry isn't just about shapes on paper. It's actually about understanding the shape of our universe. So this is the main concept. What is the modern geometry? Modern geometry extends beyond Euclid's flat world, exploring curved surfaces, higher dimensions, and transformations that explain both physical and virtual spaces. So we have the key areas or aspect na atong fokusan sa atuang discussion. First is non-Euclidean geometry. This focus on curved surfaces or spaces. Second is transformational geometry, movements and mapping and change. Third, topology, the properties preserved through. So, first is non-Euclidean geometry. The first is non-Euclidean geometry. It focuses on curved spaces or surface, circle, hyperbolic, spherical, and always remember everyone na ang non-Euclidean geometry is focuses in curved surfaces, not the flat surface. So first example is our earth is not flat. It is a circle. We know naman diba na ang earth nato is dili horizontal, hindi vertical, hindi flat. It is a circle. So second example is airplane. So nganong non-Euclidean geometry ang airplane? From the beginning, airplane is not always a straight line pag mag-travel na siya. Pag mag-travel ng airplane, mo curve ang airplane magud nag-follow sila sa curved surfaces. So pag magka-follow sila og curved surfaces, maka-create sila og shape like triangle og curved surfaces. If ato siya i-measure sa ang iyang pag-travel, for example, from the beginning sa straight line until mag-travel na siya pataas, so maka-create siya og isa ka curve or ganyan, then maka-create siya og 90 degrees until ma-form og triangle. So next is transformational geometry. This focuses on how shapes move and change through translation, rotation, and reflection. Example. First example is filter. So, we know naman in this generation is mahilig sila mag-filter or mag-adjust sa ilahang faces in TikTok. So, kapag mag-adjust sila or mag-filter sila, may posibilidad na ang ilahang face is ma-change. So, from the symmetric ang ilahang face to the normal face na sila. So, naay mahitabo na changes of shape. And then second, spinner. Turning is rotation. Pag ato siya, ang spinner, katunang siyang matuyok, or then pag ato siya ituyok, mo siya gitawag na rotation. So, this is another example of rotation. So, the given is rotation 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origin. So, mag-base tayo dito sa ating Cartesian plane na ginawa. So, from this point, so ang kiingon is 90 degrees counterclockwise about the origin. So, in this, ato ra siya i-rotate from the 90 degrees in the left. So, ang kaning point na G is atong i-move dito and this the point na naa sa 5 is ato ilagay dito, and this point of X ilagay natin dito sa baba. Then i-connect na natin yung mga points. Sorry for the shape. So this is the rotation from this shape to the triangle. In mirror, when you look in the mirror, your image flips. Topology. Topology is like geometry of rubber shapes. It studies properties that stay the same even you stretch or twist a shape. Like for example, first is donut or coffee. 'Di ba ang donut is one hole sila. Naa siya shape na circle but naa siya one hole sa center. The same like sa kape. 'Di ba pag magkape ta, syempre atong ibutang sa baso. So naay ta makita na one hole sa center. Mo tong gitawag na topology. Sa Mobius strip naman, Mobius strip is a twisted paper look that has only one side and one edge. The second example of topology is all about the Mobius strip. So, Mobius strip is a twisted paper loop that has only one side and one edge. So, how can to do this? So, let's start with the first step. First is to cut any length, or let's cut the paper. And after that you flip this. So this is the outside surface, and this is the inside surface. So how to create the Mobius strip is to twist so kanina ang result. This is the result of the Mobius strip.